Hi everyone, I am Weird Heather and welcome to my video. So I'm just in the car on the way to somewhere called Aysgarth Falls in North Yorkshire. At the moment it's looking quite cloudy and rainy out, typical English weather, gotta love that. And we're going to be doing some walking and looking for sheep and any other kind of animals that we see along the way, which is always fun. There's also the Wensleydale factory is up that way, so we will be calling in for some cheese samples, as you do. And we've actually seen snow on the tops of the really high hills. It's like, snow! No! And I feel woefully underprepared now because I'm just in running leggings, so fingers crossed I won't die from hypothermia. Catch you in a bit.
Oh, that's good. Wife to do any day now. So I think he's getting together. Seeing some fantastic things put together. That blue one's quite nice.
So we are just in a place called Hawes, North Yorkshire at the moment. I have just seen some chickens, which made my day. Really like chickens. And it is beautiful hills and scenery all around at the moment. Very muddy. It's been raining quite a bit and snowing as well here in the sort of weeks leading up to today, but still it's pretty beautiful out. Okay, so you're not going to believe this. Less than a mile in, and I've somehow managed to rip a hole in the back of my leggings. So I'm now walking around the place with a very small part of my bum exposed. Yeah, that's the kind of thing that happens to me on a regular basis. It's always good. Or not. Yeah, I'm just hoping it's not going to rip apart entirely and just have my whole bum on show, because that would be embarrassing. Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Oh. So here I am at Aysgarth Falls. Check that out. I don't know if you can actually hear me over the noise that this is making. But oh my god, isn't that just so cool? Hi, so I'm currently at the middle tier of Aysgarth Falls. The other falls that I showed you earlier was different falls. Can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I will fix that in the actual video. So, yeah, take a look. Kind of nice, huh? It's also kind of freezing though, but then this is England, so to be expected really. And here I am now at the lower section of the falls. Not really sure if the sound's going to pick up over the noise of the waterfall, but yeah, here we are. Don't you think it's weird how the water's that kind of yellow colour? It kind of makes it look like some giant has like peed in the river and turned it all yellow.